Hey, Saspreneurs, welcome to day 17 of our 30-day high-level mastery, where we look at one simple thing that you can implement in your business straight away today after watching this video. So today I'm going to ask you to build demo. So you really can't sell to people that they can't see or trust. So anything you're doing, like right now, I'm building a new SaaS. And what I did the first thing is build a demo page, build a landing page, build something visual for people to actually see what is my offer, how is it going to benefit the clients, the prospects, the leads. So automations, workflows, funnels, everything, all the jazz in 2 days, right? So if you are selling any services, build a demo in your sub account or in your agency. And if someone asks, it's easy to just quickly share your screen and show the demo. And people are visual. When you talk, people perceive that information differently because your words could be interpreted differently. Whatever you say, your thoughts, your ideas could be interpreted from a different perspective. So I highly recommend building demos, building some kind of a visual representation that you can actually share your screen and show. So when people actually see it, it clicks for them. Ah, okay. So this is how you capture the lead. Oh, this is where I can see the number of people that have booked a demo call with me. Okay, I can see these are the number of leads that have been captured through the funnel. So when you show them the demo, there's no way they're not going to work with you. So if you had a data that shows how many people used to get on a sales call with you and what's the percentage of conversion before demo and after you build demo, if you compare the numbers, I promise you that the numbers will be much more. So my sales conversion rate is through the roof once I've niched to the CRM niche, because all I do is share my screen and show them a demo and explain to them how it works. Even if it's a simple automation that I built for that person even before the demo call. So how much you can value add, how much you can articulate to them how the tool is going to help them solve their problem, save them time, money, efforts, and energy, then that's a sale for you. All right. So today I want you to identify whatever is your offer and build a simple one. It need not be functional. It need not look fancy, but it has to be functional. All right. So always functional over anything aesthetics would be my take on it. All right. So go build a demo, show demo to people, and sell more clients. I'll see you all tomorrow.